Welcome to our roundup of the best electric skillets for home cooking this year. Whether you're tired of uneven stovetop cooking, want precise temperature control, or need a versatile appliance for frying, sautéing, or simmering, we've handpicked the top electric skillets that deliver even heating, high durability, and easy cleanup, all designed to make your cooking faster, easier, and more consistent. We'll break down each skillet's key features like size, non-stick surfaces, temperature control, and versatility, so you can find the perfect skillet for your kitchen. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest price and deals. Let's dive in and find the ultimate electric skillet for you. Starting at number 5 is the Elite Gourmet EG6203 electric skillet. Elite Gourmet is known for producing affordable, reliable kitchen appliances perfect for everyday home use. This skillet is ideal for small families or individuals looking for a compact, versatile cooking surface. It features adjustable temperature control up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, non-stick cooking surface, and deep skillet design, offering even heating, easy food release, and reduced oil use. Its detachable power cord and dishwasher-safe components make cleaning a breeze. Users praise the EG6203 for its affordable price, lightweight design, and consistent heat distribution, though some mention the non-stick coating may wear over time. Overall, it's great for beginner cooks or anyone on a budget who wants a versatile skillet. Next up at number 4 is the Crux Extra Deep Electric Skillet, perfect for home cooks who want more depth and capacity. Crux is a brand recognized for innovative, space-efficient kitchen appliances. It includes extra deep cooking surface, adjustable thermostat, and non-stick coating, delivering versatile cooking for frying, stewing, or simmering larger meals. Additional perks include removable drip tray, tempered glass lid, and cool touch handles, making cooking safer and more convenient. Users love the large capacity, even heat, and durability, though a few note that the unit is slightly heavier than standard skillets. Ideal for families or meal prepping enthusiasts who cook larger portions regularly. Coming in at number 3 is the Dash Family Size Electric Skillet, a brand known for stylish, high-quality kitchen appliances. Covering medium to large meals, it's perfect for busy households or home chefs who enjoy frequent entertaining. It features extra-large cooking surface, temperature control up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and non-stick coating, ensuring even cooking for meats, vegetables, and one-pan meals. Smart design elements include tempered glass lid, dishwasher-safe pan, and cord storage, combining convenience with modern aesthetics. The product excels with ease of cleaning, large cooking area, and precise temperature control, but some users note that it may take up more counter space. Overall, it's ideal for families or anyone who needs a high-capacity, versatile skillet. At number 2, we have the Moss & Stone Round Non-Stick Electric Skillet, designed for efficient and stylish home cooking. Known for durable construction and consistent performance, this skillet is perfect for individuals or families who want professional quality results at home. It combines round design for even heat distribution, adjustable thermostat, and premium non-stick surface, providing perfectly cooked meals with minimal sticking and oil use. Its tempered glass lid and cool touch handles add convenience, while the sturdy base ensures stability during cooking. Users appreciate the durable coating, consistent heat, and elegant design, though a few note it's slightly pricier than basic models. Best suited for home chefs seeking performance and style in one appliance. Finally, at number 1 is the Elite Gourmet EG808 Electric Skillet, a premium model that offers large capacity, high performance, and versatility. Covering family-sized meals, it's perfect for home cooks who want a reliable, all-in-one electric skillet. It includes extra-large cooking area, adjustable thermostat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, non-stick surface, and tempered glass lid, making it ideal for frying, sautéing, simmering, or one-pan meals. Its detachable power cord and dishwasher-safe components add ease of use and cleanup. This product shines with consistent heating, high capacity, and easy maintenance, though the unit is slightly heavier than compact skillets. If you want a versatile, reliable, and family-sized electric skillet, the Elite Gourmet EG808 is the top choice. And that wraps up our top 5 best electric skillets for home cooking this year. From the budget-friendly Elite Gourmet EG6203 to the Crux Extra Deep and Dash Family Size, the high-performing Moss & Stone, and the premium Elite Gourmet EG808, there's a skillet for every kitchen size, cooking style, and family need. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Make sure to check the description for the latest price and deals so you can grab the perfect electric skillet for your home today. Thanks for watching.